Charlie, did you make this mess?
Yeah.
You did?
Yeah.
Right, should we get the Hoover out? Right. What have we got? There's been a slight spillage of shake and vac. Go and get Henry then. I know. You did that, didn't you? Yeah. So we've got shake and vac, some coffee whitener, some baking powder, some what do you call it? Coconut bits, some fish food. We're gonna hoover him up, Charlie. Right, let's see how Henry does. Let's go get him out. Come on in, Charlie. Get him up. Oh, there he is. Let's pull him out.
Plug in.
Yeah, go on in, plug him in. Good boy. Go on in, turn him on. I think we're going to need the high setting today.
Yeah.
You going to put him on high? Go on in. Hey, come on in, let's start hoovering. Right, Charlie, let's tackle the shake and vac first. Go on in. Yeah, that bit. Is it doing a remarkable job? Do you want Daddy help? Oh no, I think we've got even further spillage. Right. Okay, let's do the coffee, mate. This one. Right, you have to lift it up though, don't you? Make sure that the head is flat to the ground. Look, watch. You lift it up like this, and then you can really suck it up, see? See, that's all nice now, isn't it? Look at that. Didn't do so well on the shake and vac, but done pretty well on the coffee, mate. It's shaking powder time. Come on and pick it up, pick it up, pick it up. That's it. No, Daddy's not touching it, Charlie's doing it. No, Charlie, come round this way, this way, this way. That's it. Lift it up. Right, Daddy help them. Well, it does a good job, doesn't it, on baking powder? Good boy. Right, we're on to desiccated coconut. Go on in, Charlie, do your best. Oh, we can hear that going up the pipe, can't we? Oh, it's making light work of this one. Do you want Daddy help? Yeah, look. You pick it up. Look at that. Say easy. Right, we've got one more to do. Right, finishing off with a bit of fish food. Go on in, Charlie, go for it. Oh, look at that, nearly all done in one go. You've done it. Well, let Daddy just finish off this last couple of bits. Look. More? Alright, okay, well we'll have some fun, but we've showed what Henry can do. But strangely, the hardest one to pick up was the actual Hoover designed shake and vac. Never mind. Daddy'll have to give it a real good going over. Charlie, say thanks for watching. Good boy. Oh no. What's Daddy done? More stuff is being poured out. Daddy's not gonna, or Mummy even, is not gonna like the video that Daddy's just done. Charlie, is this a start to oh no. Oh dear, what's Daddy done? Right, I've got to teach you now not to pour stuff on the carpet. Hey, never mind.
And that one.
Oh, you're going to pour some out of that one as well. Alright, well, just a very little bit then, please, because Mummy's going to be annoyed enough. A little bit. That's enough. Yeah, that's right.
That one.
Yeah. Well, we're going to have our own showing now with Charlie. Hoovering up again. Charlie, say, now that people can hear, say thanks for watching. Charlie? Thanks for watching.